Let's talk about auricular acupuncture and its clinical applications. Treatment of pain. When needles are inserted in the appropriate corresponding somatic sites and left for 15 to 30 minutes, auricular acupuncture is very effective for the treatment of both acute pain. Example, decreasing post-operative pain after a tonsillectomy, and chronic pain such as migraine, cluster, and sinus headaches, trigeminal neuralgia, and lower back pain. Clinical findings suggest increased effectiveness for pain relief when combined with body acupuncture, particularly in treatment of chronic pain. However, there are some studies that have found no additional efficacy of pain relief when using the combination of auricular and body needle acupuncture. Auricular therapy has also long been used in pain clinics in conjunction with other Western treatments. Treatment of anxiety. As per clinical observation, auricular therapy has an increased relaxation effect on the patient in comparison with body therapy. It is not uncommon for individuals to report feeling drowsy after a treatment session. This effect has been useful for the treatment of anxiety, especially in a preoperative setting. Auricular acupuncture is also useful in patients who have a fear of needles, as the patients are not able to see the needles inserted in the ear. Now, treatment of hypertension. Although body acupuncture has been known to treat hypertension, there is presently no known study supporting the use of auricular therapy for hypertension. Treatment of post-operative nausea and vomiting, or PONV. Numerous studies have been performed documenting the use of body needle P6 for treatment of PONV. However, auricular acupuncture is not only effective for the treatment of PONV, but also patients are often more comfortable during auricular therapy and can use their hands freely during treatment. Detoxification for drug addiction. There are numerous reports that auricular therapy may assist in treatment for substance abuse of cocaine, particularly in combination with psychotherapy and group sessions. For the treatment of smoking cessation and alcohol dependency, results are still inconclusive. Now, treatment of insomnia. Auricular therapy has been found to be effective for treating insomnia. Treatment of gynecological problems. There have been several studies demonstrating the effectiveness of body acupuncture for dysmenorrhea, vaginitis, and others. Auricular acupuncture is effective for hot flashes. Selection points. Just as body acupuncture employs placement of multiple needles in specific combinations, auricular therapy often uses a combination of primary somatic points and secondary assistant points to treat pain or other problems. The primary somatic point is often selected on the ear, which corresponds to the organ or system of interest. Example, treatment of eye pain utilizes a specific somatic point related to the eye. Other assistant points are then chosen that may not relate to the area of pain but have been clinically proven effective in holistic therapy. Example, the so-called Shenmen point is known to be effective for sedation as well as pain relief. In the case of eye pain, a third assistant somatic point for the liver is often chosen due to the relationship between the two organs. Chinese medicine theory states that the eye is the window of the liver. So in conclusion, auricular therapy is a simple, economical, and effective method for the treatment of various ailments, but especially for pain management with minimal side effects. Thank you for your attention.